people, to talking to a lot of different participants and stakeholders. So this is the first rule of networking, 6 degree separation rule. What is it? If you want to reach any person, it can be Mark Zuckerberg, it can be Mr. Modi, it can be anyone. It is 6 degrees away. Those people are 6 degrees away from us. But there are only 6 people in between, and you are going to get to the person you want to. So this is a very important rule. The only thing is we have to identify who are going to be those 6 people who is going to connect me to that international client. So it is very important, this networking and understanding the power of networking also. And then of course there is 12 into 12 into 12 rule. So it is from the 12 feet how you are looking, 12 inches, and first 12 words that you are speaking. So these things actually matter a lot in networking while we are talking to our international clients. This is very important because the moment you start telling something about your firm, your company, it sets the tone. Whether it is more of advertisement or whether you are really sharing one of the great experiences that you had while you were serving one of the clients. So it is very important while you are considering talking to someone regarding networking. And of course, this is very important, people, incident and ideas. So there are different stages, stage 1, 2 and 3. At stage 1, people discuss about people. He is doing that, I am doing that. Then incidents. Then on the second stage, people discuss about incident. This is happening in Russia, Canada, and then later on the third stage is the idea stage. So people discuss about the ideas on the stage 3. Okay, this is a unique thing, or this is something I want to build my practice around. So basically these are different ways in which we can leverage the network or build the network basically. And of course, e-networking is very important nowadays to e-network, and LinkedIn, people are having LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Instagram, and how it is done. You remind people of, for example, filing ITR returns or anything else. You share your knowledge. Okay, this is a very new section which has just come up. So what happens is you are not advertising yourself, but people start seeing you as an expert. And whenever they have such work, like have a startup, you keep sharing on startup or LinkedIn or WhatsApp or Instagram, anything like that. And it should be consistent also. So it builds your audience. It shares that yes, you are an expert in this area, and you are definitely going to get someone who is really at the contact. And of course, these online opportunities we have discussed. And the networking happens in the non-networking events. And this is really true. Because the events which are dedicated for networking, many times the other events also really work big time when it comes to networking. And when it comes to the international clients, your website becomes very important. Because I am sitting in Canada, I am sitting in US, I don't know about your firm. But what I'll do is I'll search your firm on internet, and if I don't get any website, I'll think, okay, it is a very small firm, or maybe what I can imagine. But if it is having a website, and of course I'll share what should we have in our website, then it is going to have definitely good impression. And in international clients, mostly